अच्छा दिन कैसा दिखता है? How does a good day look like? And you all gave multiple answers, and everywhere, every answer was interconnected, and they were interchangeably right as well. And Vijay exactly covered what kind of error we do and we miss out to have a good day. So I won't cover that for you today because already Vijay has covered. If you have not listened to that, get hold of the recording of last week and you will exactly know in detail where do we miss out. So I'll just give a very decent snapshot so that you all can connect with that, and I'll go to the daily dozen of your day. If you can really apply this daily dozen, and daily dozen means 12 practices in daily basis, then your life will create a drastic effect and you will have a navigation for your life कि यार मैं आज उस जगह में जहाँ जाना चाहता था वो जा पा रहा हूँ कि नहीं. Trust me, the moment I read this points and when Vijay shared, I could really relate. So many clutter were there in mind and I was thinking so bad. मेरा definition of success was also already flawed. And पूरा जैसे बोलते हैं ना कूड़ादान साफ करते हैं वैसे मेरा दिमाग साफ हो गया. And that is when I read this book again and again, I found amazing daily dozen. अगर आप ये 12 चीज अपने अपने डेली बेसिस में आप अगर टेक केयर कर लोगे, dozen. So you can write it down if you have your pen and paper. The first point every single day is attitude. Choose and display the right attitudes daily. Now, when you say attitude, definitely if your attitude doesn't is not better, imagine करो आपके corporate में एक बंदे का attitude बहुत अच्छा है और technical skills wise they all are similar. Then the attitude which is better, definitely you will choose the person who has better attitude, right? So attitude, you have to manage your attitude on a daily basis. So the first point is attitude. Second is priorities. Determine and act upon on important priorities in a daily to daily basis. Now if you want to answer what kind of priorities you might have in your life, you need to again dig deep into it, maybe talk one on one, maybe talk with me or anyone whom you feel comfortable, and set your priorities right so that in every day you follow those priorities. The third is definitely everyone would agree with me is health. एंड हेल्थ इज समथिंग जो हमको कंपाउंड इफेक्ट की तरह दिखता है कि इनिशियली हम लोग टेक केयर नहीं करते बट 20 साल 25 साल मे बी 15 साल के बाद हमको इफेक्ट पता चलता है. एंड दैट इज व्हेन आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल कि यार पीआईएम में देयर इज आल्सो हेल्थ कम्युनिटी, देयर इज आल्सो अ कम्युनिटी व्हिच वर्क्स ऑन माय एटीट्यूड एंड इट आल्सो कीप्स मी एंगेज्ड व्हेन आई हैव टू मैनेज माय प्रायोरिटीज. सो हेल्थ, एटीट्यूड एंड प्रायोरिटीज इज अगेन the three important factor you need to look after daily. Fourth is family. What is family? You have to communicate with and care for your family daily. Trust me guys, this is one of the most weakest area I believe. Maybe it was maybe childhood upbringing or my mindset limitation you can call. ये एक ऐसा पॉइंट है जो मुझे बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट लगता था कनेक्ट करने के लिए. एंड बिकॉज अगेन ऑफ दिस एसोसिएशन आई एम लर्निंग ऑल दिस प्रिंसिपल्स हाउ आई कैन कम्युनिकेट विद एंड communicate better and so that grow my relationship with my family much better in a daily to daily basis. So this is one of my very improvement area for myself. Another is thinking. Practice and develop good thinking daily. How many of you actually every single day take maybe 5 minutes of break and start thinking about your life, maybe imagining maybe ideas or thinking about your work which you're working, maybe stretching your thoughts and believe कि did I do something different today? So thinking is a very crucial aspect because कभी कभी हम लोग काम कर जाते हैं without thinking because हमारा body habituated हो जाता है कुछ चीजों को automatically करने के लिए. So this is again one of the most crucial factor. Other thing is my personal favorite is commitment. We tell right कि when you're dating you're not committed, and when you're married you're committed. So your marriage doesn't work on only with love and other aspect of it, but if your commitment is proper then automatically other aspect will fill the gap. Finances, definitely प्रकाश ने तो बहुत अच्छे से एग्जांपल दे ही दिया है. तो make and properly manage your rupees or your finances daily basis. Always be on toe in that. Other is faith. Again, the faith, Mahima already covered with auto suggestion. Deepen and live out your faith in a daily to daily basis. The ninth point is relationship. Relationship and family, again, it is interconnected. But when we say relationship, it talks about overall relationship with your family, your friends, your people who are working with closely, or your mastermind group. If you have a mastermind group of your own, then you need to make sure you have a good relationship. And I think John C. Maxwell also tells in 5 levels of leadership, the first level is permission. First level is positional. Second is permission. Permission level leadership is only possible when you build relationship. Your ideas, people will only like your ideas if they like you. अगर लोग आपको पसंद नहीं करेंगे तो आपके ideas को भी पसंद नहीं करेंगे. That is a fact. The other part is generosity, and this is a very deep term. And when you say practicing generosity in daily basis, here we need to be very grateful for whatever we have. Again, the topic which Bhushan covered, the topic Bhushan which covered fits into this generosity point in a very daily to daily basis as well. The 11th part is values. Definitely, values are something which is very core intact. And I believe in our community we have something called a very core value we have called don't mess with mess. So we tell don't mess with mess. Mess ka matlab don't mess with anyone's money, ego, and spouse. And we believe it is some core value we inculcate, and that is how we attract people who we are. The moment we create a strong value system in our community, the community, when it grows in a such bigger numbers, the strength of the community becomes so higher, and the bonding is also very very strong. And the finally my personal favorite is growth. Seek and experience इम्प्रूवमेंट्स ऑन ए डेली टू डेली बेसिस. आप सोच के देखिए डेली बेसिस में आप क्या चीज ऐसा कर रहे हो जो आपके स्किल्स या और आपके ड्रीम्स के तरफ आगे बढ़ रहा है. आर यू पुटिंग सम एफर्ट टुवर्ड्स योर ड्रीम? आर यू ग्रोइंग डेली? There's something called goal mindset and growth mindset. Goal mindset is definitely very very powerful, but if you have a growth mindset, you can run the marathon for a longer period of time. And this is something I take inspiration from personally from Vijay, because he has really empowered so many people to develop growth mindset. Because जब growth mindset का mind आ जाता है ना, trust me, your sadness in your life will wash away धीरे धीरे करके, because every day is fun for you. Every day you're going something, every day you're learning something new towards your goal and towards your priorities. And that is where the joy of having a journey of life matters. So I hope I added some value, guys. These are the daily dozen which again these books describe, and a lot of points resonates with me and experience of life and a lot of other successful people. So do look into these points and see what kind of priorities you set for yourself, so that every single day is a success for you.